having an awesome day. So I want to give you a very quick update, an early update today. And we're going to start with net gas, coal and crude oil, starting with a net gas. So if you follow me from a couple of months, you know what I'm waiting for, and I'm sure you have already guessed it. As you can see, the price pushed down, create a first bottom. We have a rejection area right here, and after that, if we have a valid rejection area here on currency.com, which is 5.292, goes down to 5.185. Now at this point, I'm just waiting for the price to hit my rejection area. It can go inside the rejection area, that's totally fine. But after that, I want to see a nice pin bar, or we want to see few red candle and a bullish engulfing candle. So once we have that, that will be a very strong buy signal. So what I want to see a candle hit my zone, a candle can go down to this zone, a wick can go down to the zone, but the candle cannot close below this zone. If the candle closed below this rejection area, then we have a very possible chance that the price will continue to fall from here. So at this point, we have a chance we can get a double bottom action. Look for a bullish engulfers or a pin bars from here to enter your long trade. So keep this zone here. Once we have that, we will take our long trade using the ATR for the target. If you are new and if you don't know what the ATR is an indicator. You can just plot this indicator, and right here, if you see on the top left ATR, if you see here and you see the number is 18, right? You hover over this candle, you will see the number there, 18, and once you have a confirmation, then you will calculate your target. You can set your 18 pips stop loss and 18 pips take profit. You can also set your stop loss below this rejection area just to be safe and have some buyers protection here. So keep an eye here on the moves for possible entries. Let's check crude oil. Awesome. So as per my yesterday's video, we did have a push up from here, and as you can see, the price is now closed above this top right here. So now what we need to see a few candles pull back and then a bullish engulfer and keep the price pushing up until we hit this next level of resistance, which is 81.85, goes up to 84.59. This is the zone from where we will enter our sell trades using engulfers, double tops or a pin bar. So keep an eye here for your possible entries. Price is now pushing up, not taking any sort of sell trades until we have a dramatic push down broken below this EMA. So keep an eye here as well. So let's check gold. Awesome. What do we have? The exact move happened. As you can see, I've already mentioned that we have this buffer zone here. Price can push up, retest and continue to push up for the entries. Right here, if you see this 50% retracement, that can be also an aggressive way to enter long trade at the retest. I've already mentioned yesterday's video that we can have a possible push down, 50% retracement, and now we have engulfer. This is a possible signal that price is likely to push up at least $8 from here, and then the next major zone here is 1852, goes up to 1867. So this is the zone from where we will enter our sell trade. We do have a minor zone in between. I'm gonna mention that zone in my tomorrow's video. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you won't miss an update, and I update every single day so that we can all trade together and we can all trade efficiently. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green the rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.